It's been a busy week of storms and severe weather in Oklahoma this week, with multiple tornadoes reported on both Monday and Wednesday. And this is a shot from one of our storm chasers, Josh Lassiter, as a tornado tore through the town of Seminole, Oklahoma on Monday evening. It's not all bad though, because after the storms passed and as we got closer to sunset, we had these gorgeous Mummah clouds roll in over Oklahoma City. Now, these will often signal that a thunderstorm is weakening. Sinking air and heavier ice crystals within these clouds will pull them down and give them this very unique memory foam look. So keep an eye out for these after storms move through your hometown next time.